Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can list multiple cards in one listing on eBay. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys is you want to click on sell in the top, as you can see here in the top right, and you want to click on create listing and you want to go with single listing. Okay, so after that guys, you want to just add here the title, okay, of your anything, like your cards, like it's sport cards for example, or whatever. You just need to add here the title. You can always come up with a title if you search for the exact thing you want to sell on your eBay. You want to search for it on eBay and see your competitors and see what, like, how they title their items. Okay, now for example this one, as you can see, I will copy this title. It says here pick a card, and it has like multiple cards. As you can see here, you can select which card you want. You can do the exact same thing, by the way. Okay, now you just need to come up with a title. Like I said, I'm going to add this title, then I'm going to click on search. Okay, so next thing you need to do guys is you can either see here any of the card you want to sell. If you can see it here, you can just click on it. If you cannot see it, click on continue without match, and here it says select condition, professionally graded or not in original packaging, or professionally graded. I'm going to go with like professional. Here the professional sports. Here I'm going to go with 9, and here you don't really have to do it, but it's recommended. I'm going to click on continue, and after that guys, then you want to add here you want to add here the images or pictures of the cards, and after that you want to scroll down, and here you will find here variations. Okay, this is exactly how you can add multiple like cards in one listing. Okay, you want to click on variations. I'm going to go back, sorry. So I'm going to scroll down. Like I said, you just need to, when you are on the listing page here, you want to add here the images, and you want to scroll down, and you want to click on here. Okay, you want to click on variations. I'm going to search for it. Yeah, as you can see here, variations, save time. It says save time, money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity fixed price listing. You want to click on edit. All right, now after that, as you can see, it says attributes. You want to click on it, and you want to add here, for example, pick a card, and you want to click here, select which cards. For example, I'm going to go this, and you can add here multiple cards. For example, Jordan Hop, as you can see, any card, okay, and click on add, and then click on create your own. Again, you want to add as many cards as you have. Like for example, you can also, I'm going to go back to this listing, Alexa, as you can see, Markley here, Alexa Markley. Like I said, you can add as many items, like 100, you can add it here. Like if you have like 200 products, 200 cards with different like colors or whatever. I don't really know anything about cards, but this is exactly how you can add that. You want to click on continue, and you want to scroll down, and here you can price each card different price if you want. Here it is a quantity. You can also add a different quantity for each card. Now I'm going to price them the same price. Here it's price $20, and this one is also $20, and that's it. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, so you want to click on save and close, and that's it. And then you want to scroll down, and then you want to list the item. Okay, you can, of course, you will have to enter here item specifications, and you want to list the item. That's exactly how you can do this. Now you will, like, customers will be able to choose which card you want to purchase here. Okay, so that's is exactly guys how you can do this. It's very quick and simple. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.